In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove dollar signs in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on budgeting, sales forecasts, or financial reports, this simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how you present and read your data. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Google Sheets document where you want to make these changes. If you don't have one handy, feel free to create a new sheet for practice. Now, once you're in your Google Sheet, look over the range of cells you want to apply the dollar sign to. This could be a single cell, a row, or a column. The important thing is to select all the cells where you want this formatting change to occur. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells, or by clicking on a column letter or row number if you want to select an entire column or row. With your range of cells selected, the quickest way to add a dollar sign is to use the currency icon directly from the toolbar, which is located at the top of your screen. You'll find a dollar sign icon, often alongside other currency formats and standard numerical icons. Simply clicking this icon will apply the default currency format, which includes the dollar sign, to your selected cells. It's an efficient way to format your numbers without having to delve deeper into any menus. However, suppose you're looking for more control over the currency format, or maybe you'd like to remove the dollar signs. In that case, you might prefer using the Format menu. First, click on Format in the top menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a range of options related to formatting your data. Next, in this drop-down menu, find and click on Number. Hovering over this prompts another submenu to appear, featuring various number formats. Click on Currency to automatically apply the default currency symbol to your selected cells, which by default is the dollar sign. If you ever need to revert back and remove the dollar signs, simply return to the Format menu and select Number again. Then choose Number from the submenu that pops up, which will format the cells back to a standard number format, removing the currency symbol. That's all there is to it. Understanding how to adjust the currency symbols in Google Sheets allows for a clearer presentation of financial data and simplifies your workflow. Remember, you can switch back and forth between these settings as needed, so feel free to customize your sheets to fit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.